That's my Charlie.
This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. How do you like that? Charlie's already here. He landed before we parked the car here. Our little Charlie. Charlie! Charlie! Come here, Charlie. Good boy, Charlie. Good boy. Good boy, Charlie. Here's your little egg. Here's your little egg. Look at that. It's very fresh. Little egg. Has some Gouda cheese. And sausage. Okay. Good boy. Good boy, Charlie. Anything you like there? Oh, yeah. Well, sausage is pretty good. Cooked it up this morning, baby doll. Yeah. That's my baby. That's my Charlie. Is that my Charlie? Good boy, huh? Good boy. Good boy. Is that my little Charlie? Yeah, it's my little Charlie. It's my little Charlie, huh? Get some sausage. There he goes. We'll throw some more out here. There we go. Okay, I'll save some of this. Put that in my pocket in case Charlie comes back. Now, see, these are the seagulls here, but it's not Seymour. I don't know what happened to Seymour. Like I said, some birds did eat that poison seed. I mean, you know, we all know what Seymour sounds like. And we haven't seen him. So, it could be all the disturbances that have been around here wreaked havoc on Seymour. But you know, I don't see the storm gulls either. Well, I guess I saw them the other day with Seymour's friend, but not Seymour. Wow. I don't know what happened. Don't know what happened to poor Seymour. But he's not here. We got a couple little pigeons here. Got a couple of crows here. Not many seagulls when you think about it. Not many at all. Considering. But it's still early yet. So we'll put this out. We're earlier today, and we're gonna have to start coming earlier because of the time change. So when the clocks are moved, then it'll be, you know, dark at 4 o'clock. So that's coming. Wow, that's why I don't like winter. I'm still a California girl. You know, I don't know, because we're further south, time change doesn't seem so so abrupt. I mean, it's really severe here. I don't like it when it gets dark at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So, anyway, we'll let the birds eat here. A couple seagulls here. The grass is cut. Wonder if they'll be putting any of that cow manure on here. We'll wait and see. There we go. Now see, look, there's a large gull there, but it's not Seymour, because Seymour would make a sound. It's Seymour's friend, but it's not Seymour. Because you know Seymour, he makes that sound every time. I'm trying to see if his has a band around his leg. I actually don't see one. So that's not Seymour. Seymour has a band on his leg. Whoops. Let's see what we got here. There we go. This little guy wants something. A piece of sausage. There you go. Hear that? Behind my back. Look at that. Yeah, that could have been Seymour's friend, but He's all alone. Or she's all alone. Where's Seymour? And Seymour is not afraid. Seymour chases everybody. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'd say there's about 15 seagulls. There's about 15 seagulls. There you go. Let's see if Charlie comes back. We'll see. Here are the Hayfilly people leaving. Okay, we got him in video. We got you all in video. Okay. We got you all in video. So, anyway. So our YouTubers know who you are. There are little crows, something here. Not a huge amount of crows here tonight. Like I say, there's always less birds. Look at some of the beginning videos of Crow Crusader. There are less birds. Always, every passing year, less birds. Okay? See if Charlie comes back. I don't see Charlie. We'll see. I think they're afraid the gulls are here. Well, the trade-off is coming later, and then there aren't many crows here. But there aren't many crows here. Not at all. Not at all. That's it. They're little guys. But no Seymour. Seymour lets out that tremendous call. But Seymour's friend is here without Seymour. Ooh, that doesn't sound good. Unless Seymour shows up. I mean, he's not there in the morning and now he's not there in the evening. I have to say that's not good. That's not good at all. Of course, there's no storm gulls here today either. But when the storm gulls were here the other day, Seymour was not here. So, I wonder what happened to Seymour. I really enjoyed Seymour. It's really, really a shame. I hope he turns up soon. You see, there just aren't very many birds here. There aren't many seagulls, and there are not many crows. There should be like 50 to 60 crows. I'm not seeing it. I'll just do a visual count here. I count about between 30 to 35. There's at least 20 crows missing. And Seymour's missing. So, yeah. I'm going to call it a day. End this video. We saw Charlie. Charlie is coming, and that's very good. This is DC Danton, Crow Crusader, wishing you a happy Thursday. And I did 2 videos today because I'm feeling a little better since I didn't do anything yesterday. And we'll see you tomorrow. This is DC Danton, Crow Crusader, over and out.